Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show how to simplify this math problem 19 to the power 5 minus 19 is equal to what? Calculator not allowed. Okay, is equal to 19 to the power 5 can be written as 19 to the power 4 plus 1 minus 19. Now we know an algebraic formula, exponential formula. A to the power m plus n is equal to a to the power m times a to the power n. Now apply this formula. Here we can write 19 to the power 4 times 19 to the power 1, that means 19 minus 19 is equal to, now taking common 19, here we will get 19 to the power 4 minus here we will get 1 is equal to 19 times 19 to the power 4 can be written as 2 times 2 minus 1 is equal to 19 times, now we can write here 19 square whole square minus 1 can be written as 1 square is equal to, now we know an algebraic formula, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b. Now apply this formula. Here we can write 19 times 19 square plus 1 times 19 square minus 1 is equal to 19 times, now 19 square can be written as 20 minus 1 whole square is equal to, here we can use algebraic formula. We can write 20 square minus 2 times 20 times 1 plus 1 square is equal to 20 square, that means 400 minus 2 times 20 times 1 is 40 plus 1 square is 1 is equal to 401 minus 40 is equal to 163. So 19 square can be written as 361 plus 1 times 361 minus 1 is equal to 19 times 361 plus 1 is 362 times 361 minus 1 is 360 is equal to 19 times, now 362 can be written as 360 plus 2 and 360 can be written as 300 plus 60 is equal to 19 times, now we can write here 360 times 300 plus 360 times 60 plus 2 times 300 plus 2 times 60 is equal to 19 times 3 times 6 is 18, so we can write here 8, 1 is go, now 3 times 3 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10 with 1 2 3 zeros plus 6 times 6 is 36, we can write here 6, 3 is go, now 6 times 3 is 18, 18 plus 3 is 21 with 1 2 zeros plus 2 times 3 is 6 with 2 zeros, plus 2 times 6 is 12 with 1 0, is equal to 19 times. Now add this 4 number. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 plus 0 is 2. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 6 is 13. 13 plus 0 is 13. So we can write here 3. 1 is go. Now 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 8 is 10. So we can write here 0. 1 is go. Now 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 0 is 3. And this 1 is equal to, now 19 can be written as 20 minus 1 times 1 3 0 3 2 0 is equal to, now we can write here 20 times 1 3 0 3 2 0 minus 1 times 1 3 0 3 2 0 is equal to, now 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 1 is 2 with 1 2 zeros, minus 1 times 1 3 0 3 2 0, that means 1 3 0 3 2 0 is equal to, now subtract 2 6 0 6 4 0 0 1 3 0 3 2 0. Now subtract 0 minus 0 is 0, 10 minus 2 is 8, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 0, 6 minus 0 is 6, 3, 10 minus 3 is 7, 1 plus 1 is 2, 6 minus 2 is 4, and this 2. So finally we will get 2 4 7 6 0 8 6, and it is our final answer. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.